Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Dreams. Today we are diving into brand new UI for Figma, also known as UI 3, introduced at FigCon 2024. Whether you're new to Figma or transitioning from old design, this video is for you. We'll explore new features and how they enhance your workflow. And I'll even give you a sneak peek of some of the hidden gems. Let's get started. So why did Figma redesign its interface? Well, over the time, the tool has become more complex. Figma wanted to streamline the experience, making it more focused for designers, but also more approachable for everyone. This new UI is all about giving you more control over the interface while emphasizing your work on the canvas. The left side navigation panel has been completely reorganized. Now you can see all your file information in one place, making it easier to manage projects. If you're working on something detailed, you can minimize the entire UI to get more canvas space. With just one click, both navigation and properties panel are out of the way, giving you a cleaner view. But don't worry, if you select something on the canvas with the UI minimized, the properties panel automatically pops up back, letting you make adjustments without needing to open the entire UI. It's a small feature but super helpful for keeping things distraction free. Another little trick is the file drop down next to the file name. You can now quickly move files, publish libraries, and even check the version history without digging through multiple menus. It's all about efficiency. Now let's talk about the biggest changes, the toolbar. It's been moved to the bottom of the editor, giving you more space to work. It is not just a cosmetic change, it introduces some powerful new tools, specifically the Actions menu. Actions menu is where all the magic happens. It includes all Figma's AI tools which are rolling out over the next few months, along with common productivity tools, plugins, widgets. Imagine speeding up repetitive tasks or generating ideas on the fly with AI, all just a click away. I'll be doing a deeper dive on these AI tools in a future video, so stay tuned. For developers out there, you'll love this update. Dev mode can now be accessed directly from the toolbar. So no more switching back and forth through menus. This streamlines collaboration between designers and developers, allowing smoother handoff. The properties panel also got a facelift. Not only it is more intuitive, but now you can resize it as well. If you're working with components that have long names, it's super handy to expand the panel for better visibility. Speaking of making things easier, there's a new feature called property labels. You can turn them on to get clear descriptions of what each property does. Just head to the drop down next to the zoom percentage and select property labels. It's a great feature if you're new to Figma or just need a quick reminder. Let's quickly touch on the layout and position sections in properties panel. When you apply auto layout to a frame, the layout properties become instantly accessible. If you are adjusting constraints or object positions, everything is neatly grouped under the position section, making it super intuitive. One last thing, if you're not ready to fully commit to the new design, Figma has your back. You can toggle between UI 2 and UI 3 so you have time to adjust at your own pace. And that's your overview of Figma's UI 3. I hope this helps you feel more confident navigating the new interface. What's your favorite feature? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.